Will the crash that is caused with NASA spaceship to the asteroid towards Earth save the Earth?
Yes, the American Space NASA Agency has documented the first intentional crash of the spaceship to an asteroid.
What is the cause of that, Oscar?
The space mission aims to examine the human ability to stop the planet and the serious meteors from crashing off the Earth.
What is the name of that asteroid?
Dimorphos. Its diameter is about 160 meters, but it's not represent a real danger on Earth, because it's just the moon. It's surrounded with another bigger asteroid called the Dimorphos.
Okay. When did NASA do it?
The spaceship has launched from California for months until it crashed into the asteroid. NASA used the spaceship to do that task.
Why did NASA do that mission?
That mission is a science fiction. 66 years ago, dinosaurs disappeared after the crashing of the Earth. With a huge asteroid was about 10 kilometers long, and about 30,000 asteroids of the same size were crashed near the Earth.
Oh, that is extremely amazing!
Sure, David. It helps stopping the asteroids and meteors from harming Earth.
Thank you, Oscar, for this awesome information.
You're welcome, David.